everyone, it's Bobby Stearman here, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to undo your last local commit on Git. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Okay, so open straight up here on Visual Studio Code. What we need to do first and foremost is just configure a directory with some files in so that we can actually add it to Git. So I've got Git tutorial here, and I will just add a new file, and this will just be demo.txt, and we'll have in here just put demo. Okay, and we'll save that. Then we will open up Git bash in this repository. Let me make that a bit bigger so you can actually see what I'm doing. We will just add this to my public repository on GitHub. So I'll go git init, so instantiate git add. So we'll add this file that we just created, git commit. We'll add a message, initial commit. Then we have git branch, and we will just create and check out in main. And then we will, I always forget this command, so it's git remote add, but I will add the repo name as well. So this is Bobby-Dig code in git tutorial git, and then we'll just push this code. So it's git push origin main, and ask me for a passphrase. Okay, so that has added everything onto Git, right? Okay, so now what we'll do is we will make a change. So I'm going to show you two ways to undo a local commit. The first way is to completely nuke it and revert back to as if you'd never made any changes on your local files. And the second way is just to reset the commit so you can actually make changes and recommit. So we will just change this file to changed and save. Okay, and then go back into Git bash, and we will git add, git commit, and our message will just be change. Okay, so we've made one change. Okay, so how we completely nuke this, and I hope you'll be able to see this, is this should change back to demo. So we'll completely remove that commit. So we go git reset, and it's a hard reset, and it's head 1. What I'll do, that will revert back to the previous. So you can see now what I've just done, it has completely destroyed that commit locally, and it's changed our local files to what it was. Okay, so let's go back and add change again, save, and then we'll go about and go add, git commit, message, another change. Okay, so the second way I'm going to do it, we'll just remove, it will just revert back to as if you never done a commit at all. So go commit, reset, and this time you just put head, and you go back 1. Okay, now we have it. So that is all you need to do to undo a local commit on Git. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've enjoyed making it. I hope it's been useful, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.